really helps people unblock what it is preventing them from moving forward in their life and doing better, becoming better, being more productive. In fact, I had a few slight issues that I actually discussed with him, and in just a 30-minute conversation, he broke it down, and it just so simply, and I was able to use that information and move forward. He comes from the heart, and he's just incredibly innovative, but he just uses simple methods. You know, they're fundamental, but when you think about it, most things are, but it's really a matter of implementing. But it was just some of the metaphors he used and the language he used that made it so simple, and it hit home. So I really just want to give this testimonial for Chris, and if you're looking for someone to help you, perhaps you have some struggles in your life, perhaps you have a relationship issue, perhaps you want some life coaching, I would definitely get in touch with Chris.